Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do Lina's Quest on Dress to Impress. It's super easy, so you're going to go backstage here, and you're going to rub this lamp. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on this because I don't want to take a lot of your time. Then go to this room, and you're going to get the necklace. Okay. Mini cutscene. I'm just going to skip it, of course. Then you're going to head to the right. You're going to go to this room. And there's this like obby here. So you're just going to do the obby. Get the raven. You don't need to go back that way. Just walk up these stairs. And then you're going to place this one in the middle. Okay, next is you can find it's like a hide and seek basically. So get this raven, it's going to be there all the time. And then it's going to spawn here. And then it's either going to be here or on the other side of the place. It can either be here or here. But sometimes the raven does spawn back, so you can just wait. For this one, you're going to place it on the left. And lastly, you're going to go to the very top floor and you're going to put it, okay, so you're going to see statues. And if they're not facing your way, you're going to activate until it faces you. There's 3 statues that needs activating. Then the raven will spawn in the middle, like where the statue is like holding out 2 hands. It's gonna basically spawn there. I just need to find these other statue, the last one. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm just going to activate it. Then I'm going to activate it again. And one more time. Okay. Then it's going to spawn here. And then you're going to grab it and put it on the inside of the cage. No, you're not going to put it on the cage. You're going to put it inside the cage. Okay. Then you're going to place it here. Okay. Another cutscene. I'm just going to again skip it. I'm not going to do a full walkthrough on the last one because it's going to be different for all of you guys. But basically what you want to do, you're going to go up here, right? And you're going to go to the right here. Grab the key. Don't go to any other room because it's practically pointless. You're going to unlock this door. There will be a monster behind this door. Now, when it gets close to you, you'll hear your heartbeat move a lot faster. Like, you'll hear it go faster. That's the monster right there. So essentially, you can see that there's paper scattered around that looks like that. And there will be a number and the symbol, like the cover of the book. You pretty much have to match it with the number, and you can then put it in the correct slot. I'll need to turn it on or else I won't be able to hear the monster. I'm gonna just do one book. Oh, well, okay. Don't die like I did. I didn't see the monster. But basically here, I'll just go upstairs. Let's try to find, okay, so as you can see, the dove is 6. So let me try to find the dove book. Hopefully it's upstairs. When you're near a book, it's going to have this twinkling sound. Okay, that's not the dove. Oh my gosh, he's right there. Don't come for me. See, it says 2 on that. It's going to be different for everyone, so that's why I can't really show you guys the spots because it's different. Is it the, okay. You know what, let's do, oh, but that's a traveling healer. Why is he following me? Are you obsessed with me something, mister? I'm just looking for the dove book right now so I can show you guys what I mean. Hopefully it's up here. Okay, that's black ravens. Oops. Okay, so the golden dove, for instance, is at 6 on the paper. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to the door and you're going to put it on the 6th slot. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to put it here. And you're going to pretty much do it with all of the items in the books. It's going to be scattered around, so I think the books are also scattered and random, so I can't really tell you guys where it is exactly. But this is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.